I love the fact that the Pfaff Ambition 620 sewing machine comes with the multi-purpose tool. So what does it do? So I'm going to show you 3 things that this tool will do. So first off, you do notice there is a little hole on one of those toes, and that is the perfect size for helping you catch the needle when you loosen it, and it helps insert the needle. If you drop the needle in, the flat side will stay on the back. You lift it all the way up and tighten the screw. So if getting your hands in here is difficult for you, you should be using this tool when you take your needle out or when you put it in. Next, if you're sewing a button on with stitch number 29 and you need that extra shank of thread, put this under the button before you stitch it on, and that will give you that extra lift so you can button something to it. And the last thing I wanted to show you was where you can help it go up and over a thick seam. So I'm going to actually just do a quick little stitch on here so you can see when you're actually sewing and you see your foot coming and going up a mountain, a really thick area, you can lift the presser foot up and then take the side. There's 2 sides. There's a thin side and a thick side, whichever is appropriate. You slide it under the back of the foot and it levels it out. So now it's stitching up on the plateau of your project without having to push the fabric through. So if you've ever had short little tiny stitches, you've broken needles, you've had to help it through, this is the tool that you're going to use. Coming off a mountain, you can take a few stitches, and then when you know your foot will be level, once you take it out, you have nice even stitches when you go over something thick. So your multi-purpose tool is just that. It's got a lot of uses, so keep it close by.